Look at this guy. We're on the beach. This guy's just cruising around, probably looking for some leftover fish laying around. Incredible. I gotta be a little careful because he's looking at me a little bit funny. Ooh, he's coming towards the ocean. I don't know where he's going. Look at this guy. See the tides washing up his dinner? Oh my goodness. I bet he's had a few of these before. Look how big he is. He is absolutely gigantic. Look at that. He's having himself a lunch. Oh, is this awesome or what, you guys? Look at this. He's chowing it down just like, oh man, this is what they live for. Oh my, this is what I live for. This is called living the dream. I can't believe how quick he just choked that thing down. Look how big he is. He's absolutely gigantic. Oh, man, I hope I can find another one on the beach. I still can't believe that. It was a couple days old and looked like it had just bloated up and the high tide's coming in and bam, nightfall, everything was just right. And now we just saw this massive beast do what he does best. Wow. And now, we got two giant dragons in one spot. That is so cool. Not only to have one giant dragon, but to have two giant dragons. Now he's going to probably smell. He's probably smelling that ground and smelling the tide, and he's wondering where that meal went. But big boy, the cleanup of all cleanups, cleaned it up. Whoa. Look at this. They're thinking about making us a video of all videos. He's not just... Whoa, one of them. Look at this, guys. This is the most incredible time of my life. This is the peak right here. I don't know if it's going to get better than this. I got 1 day left. I just watched him eat a washed up eel, a big old giant eel at that. He swallowed it. Hercules swallowed it like nothing. Conan came down, saw the commotion, smelt it. And these are the two biggest dragons on the island, or at least the ones by the area we're in. They are incredible. They both have a name. Look at that. Oh man. I may have to go swimming. He's laughing at me because he knows how fast this guy is. Anyway, absolutely amazing. Wow. I think I'm going to stay over here where it's safer. That is the best. Whoa. Look at him.